Hi, how are you? Today we will talk about how to test diode outside motherboard and inside motherboard. Now this is diode. This is diode. This is the Zener diode. This is diode. Here this is bridge diode. Inside this bridge diode there is four diode like this. Also this is an SMD diode. Bridge SMD bridge diode. Also, there is here inside four diode, like this schematic. Now, if I want to test diode, I use diode mode in ohmmeter. If I put the cable here, positive or negative from this side, uh, does not work. If I reflect the direction, change the direction of ohmmeter, it will read 439 ohm. That means this diode is okay. This diode, this bigger diode, this more ampere. Also, it's read 156, 65, and from other side, it's read nothing. It must not read anything from this side. If it's read anything, that means this diode short or leak, have leak. Now, this is bridge diode. Also, I can test it. If you see, it's read 457. Here we read 855. From this side, it must not read anything. Now we will test diode inside laptop motherboards. Now, how I know which one the diode? Actually, always they write in motherboard on diode board they write letter D. If you find the letter D, that means this diode, and this diode will have a white line in the block of parts. Now I'll check where is the diode. Here. I need to use a loop because it's very small. Now, this one, you can see in my loop. This one here. This one here. Yeah, as you see, this one here. They write in the motherboard D2402. That means this is diode. Now, how I test it? I use diode mode. From this side, it does not read. from other side. Maybe, yeah, sometimes there's flex on or some glue. So as you see, it's 30.265, and from this side doesn't read. That means this diode is okay. Now I check another one. This one here, you can zoom, make zoom in video. This one also they write to D3602. I check with that one 3680, and from the other side 30, nothing. That means this diode is okay. Now let me check another diode. In this motherboard, not too much diode. As I told before, diode. Now, if I want to explain how diode work, this is diode. This is diode. Volt coming from this side. Volt. VCC. It's allowed the volt coming from this side, and if you supply VCC from this side, the volt does not come in. It's allowed. It is allowed for the volt to go on one direction and does not come back from another direction. Now, other thing, if we have AC volt like this, as you see. Now I want to convert this AC to DC. What I do, diode will convert when AC coming from here, will convert it to DC. Diode will convert AC volt to DC volt, because I need in laptop here, all volt work with DC. There is no electronic device work with AC. Maybe electric device, maybe motors. It's work with AC, but for example, water pump, it's work with AC. But in electronic, all electronic work with AC, DC voltage here. Does not work with AC volt. As I told, now there diode here, we called it SMD. This all parts SMD. SMD will be surface mounting, and it will be very small or big. And it allowed for volt to go from this side to this side, and does not allow the volt coming from other side to this side. I hope you understand this. This diode is very, very important. Now I explain to you the Zener diode. This one, Zener diode. Actually, the Zener diode have different function than other diode. Zener diode, what he do? Now, for example, if I have this circuit, this plus, this minus. I have, for example, a 12 volt, and I need this circuit and this volt with this will be, I need to be regulated and does not change. What I do, I use Zener diode here to regulate the volt. If this 12 volt coming, for example, 13 volt, go up, Zener diode will reduce the volt and make it 12 volt, and he will protect the circuit here. For example, there is IC here, so Zener diode will protect the IC and reduce, and volt will come in here exactly 12 volt. Volt will come exactly 12 volt because Zener diode will regulate the volt and make it 12 volt. Zener diode have many value, maybe 3.3 volt, or maybe 12 volt, maybe 5 volt, or maybe 9 volt. So the manufacturer he make many value of Zener diode. It depends on the circuit that you are using to regulate volt or to regulate the volt that you need in this circuit. So Zener diode does not convert AC to DC. No, he will regulate the volt to the circuit. Now, if you see here, this is SMD diode. This board, actually, this board control for Molinix eating food. So this is SMD diode. As you see here, right? If you see, they write here D5, here D1. Now, if I want to test it using, diode mode, here, from this side, it's read 495. From other side, does not read anything. If it's read anything from this side, other side, that means this diode is short or have some leak. This diode here read 129. From this side, also read. That means this diode have leak, or sometimes this diode connect with circuit here. So if I suspect this diode is short, I need to remove it from the circuit and test it outside the circuit. This diode, as you see here, does not read anything from this side. I change the direction, minus and a plus. As you see, it's read 470. That mean, sorry, that mean this diode is okay. I hope you understand how to test diode. Diode is very important parts coming inside all electronic device, laptop, mobile, DVR, TV, TV show, any, or all electronic parts. It must be there is inside diode, or Zener diode, or rectifier diode. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please make a like and subscribe to my channel.